Mastering English. Harness the power of frequency adverbs. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome back to our series on advanced English vocabulary and collocations. Today, we're diving into a fascinating aspect of language: adverbs of frequency in verb plus adverb collocations. We will demystify this important topic and provide examples to help you get a firm grip on it. Adverbs of frequency answer the question, how often? They provide important context in a sentence and help us understand how often an action occurs. This can range from always, an action that occurs all the time, to never, an action that does not occur at all. Other common adverbs of frequency include sometimes, usually, rarely, and occasionally. Remember, these adverbs typically go before the main verb but after the verb, to be. Let's see some examples in the next section. Let's look at some sentences with verb plus adverb collocations involving adverbs of frequency. 1. He always arrives early for meetings. Here, always modifies arrives. 2. I rarely eat junk food. Rarely modifies eat. 3. They usually play football on Saturdays. Usually modifies play. Notice how the adverb of frequency is placed before the main verb? This is the common pattern in English. Be aware, there's a slight variation with the verb to be, and modal verbs like can, should, will, etc. The adverb of frequency goes after these verbs. For example, 1. She is always late for class. 2. We will often visit the beach during summer. 3. He can sometimes be very stubborn. The placement here is different, so keep this exception in mind. Well, that wraps up our session on adverbs of frequency in verb plus adverb collocations. It's a powerful way to express the frequency of an action, adding richness to your English communication. Remember to practice using these adverbs in your daily conversations and writing. As always, keep learning, keep exploring, and keep challenging yourself. Until next time, happy learning!